Numbers chapter 16. Korah, along with Dathan, Abiram, and 250 community leaders, rose up against Moses and Aaron. They said, "You take too much on yourselves. All the people are holy. Why do you set yourselves above the Lord's assembly?" Moses fell face down and said, "Tomorrow the Lord will show who belongs to him." Each man was to bring a censer with incense before the Lord. The next day, fire came out from the Lord and consumed the 250 men offering incense. The ground opened and swallowed Korah, Dathan, and Abiram with their households. The people blamed Moses and Aaron, and a plague broke out. Moses told Aaron to quickly take his censer and make atonement for the people. Aaron stood between the living and the dead, and the plague stopped, but 14,700 died.